a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. This blend request is actually coming from my client. I'm not sure if anyone on YouTube had requested these colors together, but this specific request is from my client. She wanted to do the colors 350, 33, and 30, and we are doing large box braids as the style. So the braiding hair that I showed in the beginning, that is the braiding hair brand that I use for all of these colors. So for these large box braids, we used 5 packs of braiding hair total. So we did 2 different blends, 2 different shades. Okay, so the first blend, this is the honey bronze, and we're using all 3 colors, so the 350, 33, and 30. And we used 1 of each pack of braiding hair. So that right there is your 3 packs of hair. So first I'm going to show you guys the 2 different blends that we did, and I'll let you guys see that, the process of me blending them, and then I'll show you guys the process of me doing the box braid style. Now for the box braids, I did large box braids. It took me a total of 7 hours. This is including the time of me blending all 5 packs of hair. And understand that in each pack of hair there were 3 bundles, so understand that. And I also did tuck the box braids in, so you'll see that when I do color, I like to tuck the hair. I don't like the natural hair color to show through. To me, it just looks neater. So this is the second blend. Now this is we're using the colors 350 and 30 only. And so I'm going to show you guys how I blended this color. Really, this is just going to be a little quick snippet of the blend. But this one is the peanut butter blend. Now remember, I told you for this braided style we use 5 packs total. So the first blend we used 3 packs. For this blend we used only 2 packs of hair. So 1 pack was the color 30 and the other pack was the color 350. Now real quick, if you gotten this far, make sure to give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel as well and turn on your bell notifications. Now we're going to get into the braided style, which is large box braids. As you can see, we are doing box parting for this, and as I told you guys earlier, I am tucking the client's hair, so that does take a little bit more time. Not too much time really. I told you it took me 7 hours total, which is including the time of me blending all of the hair together. I'm really not the fastest braider, I'm not going to even lie. I do take my time when I'm doing braids, and so it takes me a little longer than others, which is fine as long as I guess I am achieving the results that my client is looking for. I feel like that's more important than trying to rush and say, you know, I did box braids in under 2 hours or under 3 hours. I give props to anyone who can do that. I absolutely can't. Not for any size like this. So I'm not going to explain too much of what I'm doing. Just going to let you guys watch, and I'm trying to answer a lot of the most frequent questions that I get. One question that I usually always get when I upload a box braid video is, how many braids did I do? Now I didn't count how many braids. Y'all look, y'all gonna see how many braids. I didn't sit here and count each and every braid. So I don't know how many braids I did. For all the products that I use, I'll try to link it in the description below. If I don't, someone remind me and I'll go back and I'll drop it. But it's usually just the same braiding hair products that I use for all of my braids. It's in all of my other videos. Y'all can ignore that reddish orange blend that's up there on my monitor. I didn't use any of that color in this hair. That blend was for a previous client, which I'll be uploading the video for that blend here soon. But yeah, ignore that. I didn't use it. If you're on here to learn how to start box braids, I do have a separate video on a couple different ways to grip box braids, so make sure to check that out. And of course, I do also have a separate video on how to tuck hair. It is more slowed down for you guys. So yeah, if you're a beginning braider or just learning different tricks and techniques of braiding, I got y'all. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, go through my videos, check them out, like this one, okay? All right, so I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video, and be sure to watch it to the end so you can see the finished look. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my next blend video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace. Bye.